Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to our place. The Always Pan and Perfect pot from our place has been life-changing. I like to cook my flautas in my Always Pan because I can make the filling and right after I'm done, I can fry them using my nesting steamer. The best part is that the ceramic coating is non-stick, so I can just wipe it down with the sponge right after I'm done using them. And look at how beautiful they are. You can always choose from different colors. It is so beautiful that I like to leave it on my stovetop. Our place is having their annual spring sale, and the Always Pan and Perfect pot will make the perfect gift for the special someone, especially since Mother's Day is just around the corner. So go get yours using the link in my description box or by visiting FromOurPlace.com. Now let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to grab our Always Pan, we're going to set it at medium heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Once the oil gets hot, we're going to add half of our small white onion and 1 Roma tomato. And now we're just going to saute for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And to that, we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and salt. And now we're just going to break down our meat. And now we're just going to cook our meat for about 6 minutes. Okay, so after 6 minutes, our taco meat is done. So now we're just going to remove it from our pan. Okay, so now we're just going to wipe down our pan so like that we can get it ready for our oil. And make sure that you keep it on medium heat. And just add your oil. And we're going to allow it to heat up. Meanwhile, we can work on making our flautas. Okay, so now we're going to form our flautas. So we're going to get a flour tortilla. Going to stuff them with our taco meat. Going to top it with some Mexican cheese. And now we're just going to roll. Okay, now we're just going to repeat the same process until we no longer have any more meat. Okay, so once we have our flautas, now we're just going to arrange them in our nesting steamer. So like that we can fry them. Okay, so now let's go to fry them. Okay, so now we're just going to fry until they get nice and golden. Okay, so once our flautas are nice and golden, we're going to remove them from the oil. And just drain as much as excess oil. Okay. And just repeat the same process. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to be serving my flautas with some cabbage. Going to drizzle some crema mexicana, some salsa verde. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and the best part, cheers and enjoy.